Hello team, my name is Abby Bailey and this is my disapplication for the decisions and design choices I made personally for this infographic. The principal visual hierarchy is the principle of arranging elements to show the order of importance. I applied visual hierarchy here and here to show the changing of color that this statement is read. This shows the importance of the statement and how important the statistic is to the infographic. The principle of similarity means that the consumer is seeing the object and that they will see it as a group potentially. This principle is an anomaly. I use it here in this isotope with people and have one person be a different color to show the 9 and 10 Americans to show the difference between the isotope. And this also could potentially show the difference in interest towards the isotope for the consumer. The principle of alignment shows that all parts of the infographic are aligned in the same way to show conciseness throughout the project. I showed this through the vertical hierarchy where everything in the infographic goes from top to bottom, as you can tell, and everything is left justified to give cohesion through the infographic. The principal color harmony is the property that certain aesthetically pleasing color combinations have, which can entice a reader to look closer in different directions throughout the infographic. I use complementary color scheme, which means using colors on the opposite sides of the color wheel. So I use colors like red and blue, and I use colors like red and gray to show differences. I use the light blue about 60% of the time in the infographic, and then I use this gray and the white as a secondary color. And I use this red for about 10% of the infographic to show the differences and the important information that needs to stand out, like here, and also here, and up here at the top. The principle of contrast is the visual difference between different elements throughout the infographic. You can see that I use the dark blue against the gray for the title, and as well as at the bottom to show the color and make the colors pop and have some vibrancy. This works because saturation can change how much the viewer may look in one place or read the material. Thank you so much for your time, and if you have any questions about my visual representations on this infographic, please feel free to contact me. Thank you again.